Alright, this is a 1970s Monarch Aire 20-inch box fan, catalog number ML20R. Don't know what model it is, the model number's worn off. Got this fan along with two others, a K223 and a P223. This fan's in great shape with its stand too, and the stand's in great shape, but all these bolts that hold the supports together, which hold the stand into one piece, are loose, so that's why it's all floppy like it is. So I'm going to tighten all that up. This fan is pretty dirty. It uses, strangely enough, being it was made by Aire King, it uses a Macmillan motor rather than a Burns Aire King motor. It's kind of awkward. That truck was annoying. Fan's in really good shape. The front grill's perfect, no missing vents, and the back grill only has one missing vent right there. Other than there's basically no screws holding the back grill on, just two at the top and some tape. That's it. So I'm going to have to find some screws to hold that together. The thing's even got its original green handle. That's awesome. Don't see many of these fans around, that's for sure. It's awesome. I have two of them now. I have a Aire King branded one too that's brown. It's downstairs. But it's been all hacked up and everything. All cut out and hacked up and screwed up. But that's alright. It's still a cool fan. That's that Aire King Franken fan I made a video of a while back. So yeah, this one's going to need some cleaning just like all the rest of them do. But just like all the rest of them, ain't no big deal. But anyway, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and look for a video of this fan all cleaned up.